Yes. So welcome to Shivagana aptitude classes, my dear viewers. Now in this video, I'm going to explain part 2 of the solutions, technical and reasoning ability questions which are asked on 22nd 8 2021 by the company Infosys, which means a very latest paper which was happened on 22nd August 2021. The reasoning ability and technical ability questions that I am going to explain. I already made one video in as part 1. Now this is part 2. Let us see. Anshuman introduced Raki as the daughter of mother of his only brother. How is Anshuman's father related to Raki? For these type of questions, I already told starts from my. That my belongs to Anshuman. This is Anshuman. Here Anshuman. So I am going to start here. So Anshuman. After Anshuman, what was their only brother? This Anshuman only brother. This Anshuman only brother. Anshuman only brother. So after my is over. Now before my, what was there? What was there? Mother, right? Which means mother. This is this mother. This mother is also mother of Anshu. Also mother of Anshu. Mother, daughter. Mother, daughter. Which means this mother, daughter. This mother, daughter. This mother, daughter. This is, but daughter is nothing but Raki. This daughter is nothing but Raki. So, okay. How was Anshuman's father related to Raki? So, as Anshu and this only brother is this mother. So, definitely Anshu father and this mother are nothing but wife and husband. Anshu father and this mother are wife and husband. So Anshu's father related to Raki. So definitely Anshu's father related to Raki is what? His father. His father. This is. In a certain code, fan, coding and decoding. Fan is written as 21. Then what is come? So let us try with the place values. F is 6, A is 1, N is 14, 4, 15, 21. Right, perfectly valid. So come, C is 3, O is 15, M is 13, E is 5, 20, 30, 36. Next question. 4 times of the cube of a number is decreased by 7 times the square of the same number is equal to 65 times the number. So this question we can solve with the help of the options also. We can solve with the help of the options also. Right? Or else what is the, if the number is traditional method I am telling you, if the number is x, then 4 times of cube of number decreased by 7 times of the square of a number is equal to 65 times of the number. That's it. This is the equation. So 4x cube minus 7x square minus 65x equal to 0, right? So nothing but 4x square minus 7x minus 65 is equal to 0, right? So minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac 4ac divided by 2a, which is nothing but 7 plus or minus 4 fourths are 16, 65 into 65 into 60, 65 into 16, 1040, 1040 plus 49, 1089. This is 1089 divided by 8. Square root of 1089 is nothing but 33. So 7 minus 33 divided by 8, 7 plus 33 divided by 8. If we take this one, as the number is a positive, So 40 divided by 8, 5 is the number, which is, this is the traditional method. If we go by the options, just check the options. So as a experienced aptitude trainer, what I am going to do is, the difference is nothing but 65 times of the number. So I starts the checking from 5 multiple. I starts checking from 5 multiple. 65 is 5 multiple. If we check 5, option 5, option C, that is nothing but a 5. So first, cube of a number, 5 cube is 125. 4 times of the 5 cube, 125 into 4, 125 into 4, 400, 500. This is 4 times of the number. Now square of the number, 5 square is 25, and 7 times, so 7 times of this number, 7 into 25, which is nothing but 175. Difference is how much? 500 minus 175, which is nothing but 325. This 325 is nothing but what? 65 times of the number. Perfect. That is options checking. Next question. Hari's mother. Next question. Hari's mother. Let us say Hari. Hari's mother. Hari's mother is the sister of the father of Riya's brother. Of the father of Riya's brother. Riya is there. Riya brother is there. Riya's brother. Riya's brother. Father of this father. These two, this father, this mother is a sister to this father. This mother is a sister to this father. This mother is a sister to this father. Okay. Then Riya's father will be dash of Hari. Riya's father will be dash of Hari. Riya's father will be mother's brother. Riya's father will be dash of Hari, mother's brother. Mother's brother. Next, 5 bakers make 100 cupcakes in 5 hours. How many cupcakes will 10 bakers make in 2 hours? Just men into days into hours into efficiency by total work is always a constant, one of the finest important relation in time and work. So 5 bakers makes 10 cups, 100 cups, that is the work in 5 hours, is equal to how many cups, right? 10 bakers, cups is the work, right? How many cups that 10 bakers makes in 2 hours? That is, okay, right? X, how much X? 5 twos, 5 20s, 20 into 4, 80. 80 hours is the answer. Next, 20 years ago, 20 years ago, Roni and father. Roni's father was 12 times of Roni. If Roni is X, father is 12X. Now present, this is present. So present Roni is X plus 20, father is 12X plus 20. Right? So X plus 20 divided by 12X plus 20. This ratio present is, at present his age is 2 times of Roni. Father is 2 times of Roni. So 2x plus 40 is equal to 12x plus 20. To 12x minus 2x, 10x. 10x is equal to 40 minus 20, 20. So x is equal to 2. Okay. What is the present age of the Roni? Present age of the Roni is x plus 20. So x plus 20 is nothing but 22. As x is 2. Answer is 22 years. Simple question. Consider the number 57645361. Units place is decreased by 1. Digits, the digit in the 10 at a tens place increased by 2. The digit in the 100 place decreased by 1. The digit in 1000 place increased by 2. This is repeated, so decreased by 1, increased by 2, decreased by 1, increased by 2. Okay. After rearranging, how many numbers appears twice? 7 appeared one number, 8 appeared another number. Is there any two numbers appeared twice? PQRS are the PQRS are the distinct two-digit numbers divided by 7. So the two-digit numbers are divided by 7. Then the maximum value of, so maximum value of what? PQ minus RS. This is what? To get the maximum value of PQ minus RS, P should be maximum, Q should be maximum, R comma S are as minimum as possible. Then only this entire result will be maximum. That is the common sense, my dear viewers. So two-digit numbers, right? So P should be maximum. The maximum two-digit number which is divisible by 7 is nothing but 98. As the numbers are distinct, so I am going to take Q as 98 minus 7, which is 91. Now R I am going to take the minimum number, so two-digit number. So R I am taking as 14. S I am taking as next divisible by 7 is 21. Right? These are the maximums as best as possible, minimums. He is asking P into Q minus R into S. This is what? 98 into 91, which is nothing but 8918. 14 into 21, which is nothing but 294. This difference is 8624. 8624. That was there in the options. Super easy question. The range of the data. Range is simply the difference of maximum minus minimum. Range is nothing but difference of maximum minus minimum. Syllogisms. All shoes are legs. Minimum overlapped diagram is needed. All shoes. This is all. This is shoes. All shoes are nothing but legs. Okay. Legs. Some legs are pairs. Minimum overlapped diagram. Whatever the necessary overlapping that I am drawing. Next, some pairs are hands. Some pairs are hands. Some pairs are hands. Okay. Some hands are shoes. Some hands are socks. There is no connection between hands and socks. This is false. Some pairs are shoes. So there is no connection between pair and shoe. Is there any possibility of these two conclusions are complementary? Hand shoes, shoes. Pair shoe, shoes. Okay, definitely both all the, so four parameters, the two parameters over here are different from here. So there is no complementary case. So nothing follows, neither one nor two. What is the profit percentage? Your data sufficiency. Data sufficiency. Definite question. Goldman Sachs is asking the data sufficiency. TCS Digital asked the data sufficiency. Tech Mahindra asking the data sufficiency. And what we called, yeah, these companies at present in 2021. So definitely Infosys also asked the data sufficiency. So upcoming TCS Digital and Ninja, I mean NQT will definitely ask the data sufficiency question. Easy data sufficiency. Here we need to calculate the profit percentage. Right? To calculate this profit percentage, is the statement one alone sufficient? Cost of the article is given. With the cost of the article, we cannot calculate the profit percentage. So statement 1 alone not sufficient. Statement 1 alone not sufficient. Let us check the statement 2. Statement 2, selling price is given 500, profit is given 50. So from this cost price is how much? 450. So profit percentage is nothing but profit divided by CP into 100. So cost price can easily calculated with the data which was given in statement 2 alone. So 2 alone is sufficient while 1 alone is not sufficient. This is the answer for the question. Statement 2 alone is sufficient while the statement 1 alone is not sufficient. That's the answer for the question. Some again syllogisms, one of the important topic for all the placements, my dear viewers. In the upcoming TCS also there is a lot of chance to ask the questions on syllogism. Some girls are good, this is entire girls. In these girls, some girls are good, minimum overlapping is the first thing that you need to draw. Some boys are bad, so all boys are girls, this is all boys are girls. Then second statement, some boys are bad, some boys are bad, right? Minimum overlap diagram that I was drawn. Okay, select the two correct statements, right? Select the two correct statements. Some boys are good, there is no connection between boys and good, we cannot say this definite statement. Some bad are good, some bad are good, there is no connection. Some boys are good, select the some boys are good, yeah, no. Some bad are good, no, right? There is, these are not the definite correct, definitely correct, partially they are correct. So as these two are incorrect, we have to select the two correct statements. These two are correct obviously, right? If you want you can some girls are boys, that was there in the diagram, and some girls are bad, that is also there in the diagram. That's it, very easy syllogisms are given. If a batsman scored 4 sixes, 4 into 6, 24 runs, 11 boundaries, 11 into 4, that is 44 runs, and to 22 runs between the wickets, right? Total how many? 4, 4, 2, 10, 0, 1, 4, 90 runs. He has been scored 90 runs. He faced 60 balls, right? Which is nothing but 3 by 2, nothing but 1.5 runs per ball. 1.5 runs per delivery or the ball. He scored 1.5 runs for one each ball or one ball. The sales of different chocolates in a shop company on Sunday follows: Kit Kat 153 sold, Dairy Milk 160, Munch 195, 109. If a 545 is collected by selling only Munch cost 19. So then cost of per Munch is nothing but 5 rupees, cost of one munch. 109 sold munch, each munch cost is 5 rupees, then only 109 into 5, 545. Simple, silly, easy LKG kindergarten question. If the sum of the 15 data points, 15 into 2100, sum is given, right? Sorry, sum of the all the data is doubled. First of all, 2100 is the sum, and 15 data points, 15 data points, okay. Then the average is 140, this is okay, average is 140. Then doubled, 2100 into 2, doubled in the sense 4200, okay. Each data point 10 subtracted, 15 data points, each data point 10 subtracted, which means 150 is subtracted. The remaining is 0 5 0 4050. So the new average is 4050 divided by 15, which comes out to be 15 twos, 15 sevens, 0. This is the new average. What will be the new average? Will be greater than the old average. New average is 270, old average is 140. How much greater? 130. Answer for the question. In a farm there are some cows. Let us say C number of cows are there. Owners. 0 is not good, so let us change. Some cows are, let us say x number of cows are there, owners are y number of owners are there. If the total number of x, which means the number of heads are 45, so x plus each cow one head, each owner one head, so x plus y is 45. This is the first equation. Legs, a cow has 4 legs and owner have 2 legs, that is 2y. Now the equation is 4x plus 2y is how much? 130. If we solve these two equations, you get whatever the necessary. So I'm multiplying this equation by 2, which means 2x plus 2y is equal to 90, and 4x plus 2y is equal to 130. If we subtract, this gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 130 minus 90, that is 40. X is equal to 20. X is nothing but a number of cows. That is what he is asking. Answer for the question. Next question. Again, data sufficiency. Ratio of savings of A and B. Let us check statement 1 alone sufficient or not. Income of A is given, expenditure is given. With this data, there is no information about B here. So we cannot find the ratio of A and B. Statement 1 alone not sufficient. Let us take statement 2. Income of B is 500. With this statement alone, we cannot find the ratio of savings of A and B. This is also not sufficient. Let us put these two statements together. So A saving is how much? 700 minus 600, which is nothing but 100. Now B saving is how much? B income is 500. We don't know B expenditure, so we cannot calculate the B saving. So neither one nor two are sufficient. Both statements together are not sufficient. Neither one nor two. That's the answer for this question. That is the answer for this question. That's the end of part 2 of the solutions of Infosys company drive conducted on 22nd August 2021. Right, very recent exam questions that I posted. So make use of this video as best as possible. My dear viewers, my sincere advice is, as the number of recruitments are more, each company recruiting in a bulk, there is a lot of chance to ask the questions moderately, medium level, easy level questions by the companies who are asking a bulk number of employees. So this video will be definitely gives one idea about what topics you need to prepare, right? So for the entire video course, you can contact the number which I shown in the slide. I am sure that whatever the content that I was present in my video course, that is more than sufficient to crack your placement and government exam. Such a kind of quality content I kept, right? Make use of that content as best as possible, my dear viewers. Thank you one and all. I'm signing off.